Welcome to the TypeScript for C# and .NET Developers course. My name is Ahmed Mohi and I will be your instructor throughout the course. I have been developing applications for more than 10 years. I'm specialized in Microsoft technologies like C#, ASP.NET, SQL Server, Azure, and more. I'm experienced in web development tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, TypeScript, Angular, and many more. I am currently working as a software architect. I have plenty of courses, plenty of videos, tutorials with more than 25,000 students worldwide. So briefly, let's go through what we're going to cover in this course. In the first section, we will discuss what is TypeScript and what are the benefits of using TypeScript. Then we will start preparing our environment by installing Node.js and create our very first TypeScript app using Visual Studio Code. Moving on to section number 2, we will explore the basic data types of TypeScript, different ways to declare variables. We will learn how to create arrays in plenty of ways, going through enumerations, tuples, unions, and literal types. In section 3, we will take a step further with our TypeScript skills. We will be creating very basic functions and going step by step to build more complicated functions with array parameters and optional parameters and more. We will be creating classes and learning how to use inheritance in TypeScript. And last but not least, we will see how to create interfaces in TypeScript. In section number 4, we will work with the advanced concepts like namespaces, and we will learn how to use namespaces and how to build them. And most importantly, how to import namespaces. Also, we'll be understanding and creating modules. Also, we'll be trying one of the experimental features in TypeScript, which is called decorators. In section 5, and after you have become experienced in TypeScript, we will see how to apply this knowledge to apply it in a real-world scenario, such as how to use TypeScript with ASP.NET Core, the latest technology from Microsoft, and how to use it with the popular JavaScript framework, Angular. So I hope that you're excited. Let's get started.